The universe is vast and full of mysteries. It holds countless wonders waiting to be discovered. From distant planets orbiting other stars to enigmatic black holes and the elusive force driving the universe's expansion, astrophysics offers a glimpse into the grand tapestry of space and time. This video delves into three captivating realms of astrophysical research: exoplanets, black holes, and dark energy. These topics, once confined to the realm of science fiction, have now taken center stage in our quest to understand the cosmos. By exploring these celestial phenomena, we embark on a journey to unravel the secrets of the universe and our place within it. Prepare to be amazed as we venture into the depths of space and time, where reality often surpasses the wildest imagination. Please press like and subscribe to join us on this incredible journey through the cosmos. For centuries, humanity gazed upon the stars and pondered a profound question: are there other worlds like ours out there? The search for exoplanets, planets beyond our solar system, has captivated astronomers and the public alike. This pursuit has transitioned from the realm of speculation to a vibrant field of scientific inquiry. Early efforts relied on indirect methods, detecting the subtle gravitational tugs of planets on their host stars. These techniques revealed the presence of massive planets, often gas giants like Jupiter, orbiting close to their stars. While groundbreaking, these discoveries differed significantly from our own solar system, raising questions about the diversity of planetary systems in the cosmos. The launch of space telescopes like Kepler revolutionized exoplanet hunting. Kepler, designed to detect the faint dimming of a star's light as a planet passes in front of it, opened a new window into the universe. The mission's success surpassed all expectations, uncovering thousands of exoplanet candidates, many of them significantly smaller than Jupiter. These discoveries revealed an astounding diversity of exoplanets, with scorching hot gas giants. Let me ask you, have you ever bungee jumped into a volcano? Well, that's what it would feel like. To rocky worlds orbiting within their star's habitable zone, where conditions might be just right for liquid water and potentially life to exist. The search for exoplanets is not merely a quest to catalog celestial objects, it is a profound exploration of our place in the cosmos, seeking to answer the age-old question: are we alone? Black holes, once considered theoretical curiosities, have emerged as some of the most fascinating and enigmatic objects in the universe. These cosmic behemoths possess gravitational pull so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. Their existence was first predicted by Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, which describes gravity as the curvature of space-time caused by massive objects. Black holes form when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives, their cores imploding under their own gravity. As the core collapses, its density and gravitational pull increase without limit, creating a singularity, a point of infinite density and zero volume at the center of the black hole. Surrounding the singularity is the event horizon, the point of no return, beyond which escape from the black hole's gravitational clutches is impossible. Gravity's ultimate triumph, from theory to observation. While black holes remained theoretical constructs for decades, astronomers began accumulating observational evidence supporting their existence. One compelling piece of evidence comes from binary star systems where one star orbits an unseen companion that emits X-rays. These X-rays are thought to originate from matter being pulled from the visible star and heated to extremely high temperatures as it spirals into the black hole. In a groundbreaking achievement, the Event Horizon Telescope, a global network of radio telescopes, captured the first ever image of a black hole's shadow. This remarkable feat provided direct visual evidence for the existence of these cosmic monsters and ushered in a new era of black hole astrophysics. Scientists are now eager to study these objects in greater detail, probing the limits of our understanding of gravity and the nature of space-time. The expanding universe, dark energy's enigmatic role. The 20th century witnessed a revolution in our understanding of the universe. It was a period marked by groundbreaking discoveries and paradigm shifts in astronomy and cosmology. Edwin Hubble's observations revealed that the universe is not static but expanding, with galaxies moving away from each other. This was a monumental shift in our perception of the cosmos. This discovery raised profound questions about the universe's origin, evolution, and ultimate fate. Scientists began to ponder the mechanisms driving this expansion. The prevailing theory at the time, the Big Bang model, suggested that the expansion of the universe should be slowing down due to the gravitational attraction of all the matter within it. This seemed logical given our understanding of gravity. However, in the late 1990s, astronomers made a startling discovery that challenged this view. They found evidence that contradicted the expected deceleration. Observations of distant supernovae, exploding stars that serve as cosmic distance markers, revealed that the expansion of the universe is not slowing down, but accelerating. This was an astonishing revelation. This unexpected finding sent shockwaves through the scientific community and hinted at the existence of a mysterious force counteracting gravity on cosmic scales. This force, now known as dark energy, remains one of the most enigmatic aspects of modern cosmology. Supernovae as cosmic candles illuminating dark energy. Supernovae, particularly a type known as type Ia supernovae, play a crucial role in cosmology as standard candles. These stellar explosions occur when white dwarf stars, the remnants of sun-like stars, reach a critical mass and undergo a runaway thermonuclear explosion. The peak brightness of these explosions is remarkably consistent, allowing astronomers to use them as cosmic distance markers. By measuring the apparent brightness of distant type Ia supernovae and comparing it to their known intrinsic brightness, astronomers can determine their distances. Furthermore, by analyzing the light from these supernovae, astronomers can measure their redshifts, which indicate how fast they are moving away from us. These measurements revealed that the more distant supernovae were fainter than expected, implying that the expansion of the universe has been accelerating over time. The interplay of gravity from Newton to Einstein and beyond. The discovery of dark energy has profound implications for our understanding of gravity and the evolution of the universe. This mysterious force, which makes up about 68% of the universe, is causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. Scientists are still grappling with its true nature and how it fits into the existing framework of physics. It suggests that there is more to gravity than meets the eye, that there are forces at play on cosmic scales that we are only beginning to comprehend. These forces could potentially reshape our understanding of the cosmos and lead to new theories that extend beyond Einstein's general relativity. While Einstein's theory of general relativity accurately describes gravity on solar system scales, it may need to be modified to account for the accelerated expansion of the universe. This expansion, driven by dark energy, challenges the limits of our current scientific models and calls for innovative approaches to understand the underlying mechanisms. One possibility is that Einstein's cosmological constant, a term he introduced in his equations to represent a repulsive force that could counteract gravity, is not zero as previously thought. This constant might actually be a crucial component in explaining the accelerated expansion of the universe. Another possibility is that there exists a new form of energy, dubbed dark energy, that permeates all of space and exerts a negative pressure, driving the accelerated expansion. This enigmatic energy could be the key to unlocking new realms of physics and understanding the true nature of the universe. The nature of dark energy remains one of the biggest unsolved mysteries in modern physics. As researchers continue to explore this phenomenon, they hope to uncover answers that could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and its fundamental forces. Expanding our cosmic horizons. The study of exoplanets, black holes, and dark energy has transformed our view of the universe, revealing a cosmos far more vast, complex, and awe-inspiring than we ever imagined. These discoveries have not only expanded our knowledge, but have also sparked our curiosity and imagination. The search for exoplanets has shown us that our solar system is not unique, that planetary systems come in a staggering variety of configurations. From hot Jupiters to Earth-like worlds, the diversity is astounding and challenges our understanding of planet formation. The study of black holes has provided us with glimpses into the most extreme environments in the universe, where gravity reigns supreme, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of physics. These enigmatic objects challenge our theories and push us to develop new models to explain their behavior. And the discovery of dark energy has forced us to confront the limitations of our current theories of gravity and the evolution of the universe. This mysterious force, driving the accelerated expansion of the cosmos, remains one of the greatest puzzles in modern astrophysics. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we can be certain that new discoveries await, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and inspiring future generations of scientists and explorers. The quest for understanding drives innovation and fuels our desire to reach further into the unknown. The universe is full of wonders, and we are only just beginning to unravel its secrets. In conclusion, each discovery opens new doors and presents new questions, ensuring that our journey of exploration will continue for generations to come. Remember to press like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you.